I got me finger caught in between. But it wasn't straight, it was like that.
Oh.
Fuck me. Oh.
Hey guys, this is Sophie Mossford. Brilliant start to a YouTube video. We have... One sec. Yeah?
What you doing with the dog lead?
It's on the couch, I think. I never put it there though, it was just there. Sorry about that, my brother was wondering where the dog lead was. Okay.
It's like shaking. Still hurting.
We are going, should we turn the sound on?
Have you got anything to block the window?
No.
What you could do, hang on.
That's why my videos are terrible with the light on the videos.
You've got a curtain pole and you've got a duvet. Hang the duvet over. Curtain pole, good luck.
It'll be too heavy.
You could.
It's the whole window though. Not gonna put the light. Stop the light. We're gonna record our reactions to White Noise, a very horrible game.
You need to sort this out. Look how many wires started to hang on the floor.
I know.
Look at that.
So
I wish you did.
we are playing on a game which is basically a Jag Slender.
I don't like it. It's scary. Even the menu was scary.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we did that on your iPad when I was telling you were going.
Yeah.
He was playing it and I gave him the fright of his life. He crapped his pants. Oh yeah, in case you haven't heard his name, it's Daniel. And you didn't really watch my last videos. This is our first video in like where we're not showing the telly. So we are going to...
If you want to get the game, if you want to see what it looks like, stop being a lazy little bugger and just get the game yourself.
I'm going to say a random map. I'm going to go...
Just do a random person. Do him, he's got mine.
Someone with more... Yeah, okay. She's got less stamina. But,
She's got 2 sanity.
Yeah. It's basically amnesia and...
No, it's not!
It is sanity. Insanity. That's not like that in Slenderman. I'm going to higher this up. Oh, I can't.
Not too much!
Yeah, because it does scream, so yeah.
I'll block that. Hang on, try and...
This... You idiot!
That's twice, that's happened now.
Right, we're going to record our reaction. Stop it! Oh. LOL! Random. Oh yeah, we wasted our time on the menu. We wasted our time on the menu.
Oh, you need to get like Microsoft things and get them.
Yeah, I'll get the full game. We're gonna play it again. Here we go.
Jeans are dead tight. She got sexy legs. I've lost a lot of weight over the past year.
You told me.
Yeah. Teachers have said that as well.
Have they? 4 minutes already. Blah, blah, blah.
I'm sure someone's got like a dog whistle or something. I just say something.
The recording. He's took the thing off the little thingy. After the disappearance
of several people under mysterious circumstances around Europe, the authorities remain clueless. Diverse groups of adventurers have gathered in a vain attempt to uncover the truth behind these strange events.
My turn.
The only clue that each of these cases have in common are mysterious tape recorders scattered close to the last place where the victims were seen alive. Those tapes only contain unintelligible noise, but who knows what message is buried underneath. They are the only witness left, aren't they? Oh my god, you should have seen the footage just then when that came on. Big thing just came. My finger's really hurting now, my nail's coming off.
You haven't got any nails?
I have,
Well,
just not
barely.
long nails. I bite my nails. You seen yours? Too long.
We've been at...
Bunker 51 with...
Ah! We got one.
You might only got one map. Shaggy.
What's evasion? Isn't it like the monster does you less damage?
Something like that.
The monster is horrible. It's this big muscular thing. No eyes, no nose, mouth. Weird. I don't think I even think it has teeth.
It's got teeth. It's like the alien off Alien. Whenever you're trying to play Slender, right, and you get there to get, just think of him as a massive sperm in a suit. Oh, don't you dare! Don't turn the light back on.
Turn it on.
Oh. This better not be like the Slender app I've got for my iPod, where like if it gets closer, it just goes. Ooh, the camera literally just goes. And he's like right there in your face, and it's horrible.
Is that what it does on your iPod? Is that the full version you've got, or is it?
Slender the Arrival. Oh no, the tunnel.
Right.
If Kim Kardashian's baby's called Northwest, does that make her vagina the Northwest Passage?
Did you see that?
No! It's a tree! That's not a tree! Have you got the Lost Souls on or not?
Oh, I don't like that. No, windmills. But let me take you to the Dodge. It's one of the jokes.
It's 7 minutes.
I don't like this,
Someone's
guys.
burning, like someone's house is on fire.
Oh, it smelled like that this morning. Phil's using an incinerator next door. My mum thought there was a fire, so she ended up flipping. Went and knocked on the door. No one answered. And she thought there was.
Shut up.
Shut up. So she went around. Not that way. Cabins.
Yeah, but one of the tape recorders has got to be in one of the cabins.
Oh yeah. I do that to her. I put the finger up to her, Katie's, every now and again, and she goes, and grabs the finger and goes, and tries to, like, as if she's trying to pull it off my hand. No, church. No, don't like it.
I heard tonight.
So did I.
Do not turn around.
Stop it. I'm scared crapless.
Don't be turning around and look what's behind you.
I bet you when the monster comes, one's gonna fall off our seat.
Stop it! And laugh if I just went, I know! You fell off your seat.
9 minutes. How long are we gonna make the video?
Only 10.
10.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna make part 2.
Maybe. Should we call this white noise reactions? People are gonna laugh their heads off.
I just realised.
No! No, that's the arm of it! That's its arm!
No, it isn't. Hello. Go forward. It's not.
What is it then?
No. It looks like a hot dog. Don't you dare exit.
No, I'm just giving a knife. Sorry.
That's a signpost. Resume the game.
I am.
Look, look.
Stop it.
Okay. I will. Oh my god.
I actually thought it was going to be that then.
It's Ryan, isn't it?
You can't even... No.
Gah.
No, I'm not collecting that tape recorder.
Just go up to it.
You do it.
No. I'm not looking. Oh my god, it's just the top. I'm not looking.
Neither am I.
Face backwards.
Right, you ready? It's behind me, so I'm going to do this and go back. Because I'm not doing this.
No, Sophie, you're gonna exit. Press B.
Ooh. You ready?
No.
Stop it!
What do you mean? It's behind. Oh god.
Sophie, turn around.
Where are we now? Okay.
Have you got it? Yeah.
No. The rock is on the right, so I'm really close to the tape recorder.
Hang on. Look at the screen.
No.
Look at the screen. What is that? Oh no, it's just the window. Never mind.
Of what? It's up to the signpost.
Oh. Oh. No, you're gonna exit. Trials expired.
So there's my reaction. I'm not making a part 2 because that is terrifying. If you want to play that for yourself, go ahead and play it.
No, you should say if you want to get mentally scarred for life.
Yeah, I'm not mentally scarred for life.
You should have seen yourself when the monster popped up yesterday. You were rocking
Oh.
back and forth.
Don't genius!
You were like,
You went. You actually did.
I went like that in The Woman in Black as well. Apparently, right, I got that bad. I was rocking back and forth in my chair, but I don't believe me friends.
That is terrifying. Alright guys, I'll see you later.